Assalamualaikum, grade 4. We meet again. As usual, before we start the lesson, let's pray first. Pray starts now. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Robbi zidni ilma. Warzuqni fahma. Amin. Okay, how are you today? Hope that you all are fine. Okay, let's start the lesson, yeah. And today we just do the review, Unit 3 and Unit 4, a fun vacation and in the countryside. Okay, next, yeah. This one. Here you need to compose a sentence based on the picture using past simple as the sample provided. Nah, ini udah ada contohnya nih. Jadi, yang first one, last weekend he went to an island, he swam. Ya, jadi ada yang namanya went to, itu kan past simple. Sekarang gimana kalau yang nomor 2? Let's try ya. Kalau nomor 2, kita lihat dulu dia pergi kemana tuh di bukunya teman-teman. Waterfall ya, jadi bisa seperti ini. Mau dibilang last weekend boleh, mau dibilang last Sunday boleh, mau dibilang last Saturday boleh. As long as you use last, oke? Okay? Mau dibilang last holiday juga boleh. Oke, okay. Kalau misulis bikinnya last holiday, she went to a waterfall. Titik. She, kalau naik sepeda apa? Ride atau rode? She rode a bicycle. Itu ya. Oke, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oke, ini nomor 2-nya di sini. Sini aja deh. Oke. How about number 3? Kita coba number 3 ya. Dia pergi kemana tuh? A river ya. Jadi, boleh juga last week, they went to a, boleh juga they went by a river. Kenapa by? Karena kalau kita pakainya went to, jadi kita ke sungai. Tapi kalau kita bilangnya went by, kita perginya ke pinggiran sungai, gitu ya. Went by a river, terus titik, they pick some apples. Ya, oke, ini yang nomor 3. Nomor 4, last holiday atau last weekend atau last Saturday or last Sunday, she went to the farm. She fell asleep, gitu ya. Atau if you have your own sentence, you can make it. Okay, good. Next ya. Nah, this one you need to read first. You need to read the story here. And then you need to arrange. Nomor berapa nih? Gitu ya. Oke. Dear Grandma, I went to the mountain with my friends. Yang mana kira-kira yang went to the mountain? Ini ya, jadi ini tulisan nomor 1. When we were there, we saw some baby birds. Which one is baby birds? Ini ya, so this one is number 2. And then, in the evening, we ate cakes. Yang mana yang ate cakes? Yang mana ya? Yang makan kue. Sepertinya tidak ada makan kue, tapi dia makan eh kayak grill something gitu ya. So this one is number 3. Oke. Jadi you need to read first. Di sini ada last week I went to the mountains with my friends. Ini ya, dia pergi ke mountains. Terus when we were there we saw some baby birds. Ya baby birds ini kan baby birds gitu ya. Oke, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy ya. Be careful when you read the story. So you can arrange that one, arrange the picture. Nah, how about this one? Last year, we titik-titik to the mountain. We ada way, jadi we went. Kenapa went? Karena last year. Okay. We went to the mountains. Ketika kami di sana, jadi kita pakainya when we were. Ya, ingat kalau we berarti pakainya were, kalau I pakainya was. He, she, it pakainya was juga. Oke. Okay. When we were there, we titik-titik lots of photo. Kita ngambil foto banyak-banyak. Jadi we took. Bukan take lagi tapi took. Ingat, kita pakainya past simple. On the first day, my brother play titik-titik in the snow. Kira-kira apa nih? Playing, played, atau plays. Ingat, we use simple past. Jadi we use good. We use played. Ya, my brother played in the snow. Kalau teman-teman mau lebih gampangnya, teman-teman you can count the hyphen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ada 5 after P. Kita hitung aja hurufnya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kalau playing more than 5, ya. On the first day, my brother played in the snow. A little cat, titik-titik him. Ini ada cat yang lagi kejar-kejar. Jadi pilihannya chases, chasing, atau chased. Ingat, kita pakai past simple. Jadi kita harus pakai yang bentuk past. Ya, jadi yang betul adalah chased. Oke, good. Number 3, on the second day, my brother titik-titik. Nih, lagi main skate ya. Jadi isinya skates, skating, or skated. Ingat, kita pakai past simple, jadi yang betul adalah skated. Oke. The rest you can do it ya, because this one is very easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, next we continue. This one is a little bit difficult because first you need to see the picture. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Monday, kira-kira ngapain ya? But before that, you need to see first this one, the sentence. Ada she picked flowers. They ate cake. They rode a bike. He fed the chickens. They read a story. She took photos. Oke. Kira-kira yang mana? On titik-titik, they went to a cafe. Yang mana kira-kira yang cafe? Good. Jadi jawabannya adalah On Wednesday, gitu ya. On Wednesday, they went to a cafe. Ngapain ke cafe? They ate cake. Yang ini ya. Nah, oke. On titik-titik, she went to the river. Kira-kira yang mana yang river? Oh, yang ini. Jadi on apa? On Monday, right? So we write Monday here. On Monday, she went to the river. Ngapain dia ke river? Yang mana kira-kira? Ini gambarnya is too small ya. Wait ya. I'll check it first. Oke. Itu she pick flowers ya. You can check your book to find the answer. You may open your book at the review. It is on page 50. Ya, page 50. Oke. Itu isinya she took photos. Oke. Number 3, on titik-titik, they went to the beach. Kira-kira yang mana went to the beach? Oh, yang ini berarti on Friday. Oke. Terus, what they do, what they did? Kira-kira yang mana ya? I think this one is a little bit weird. Karena nggak ada yang naik sepeda ya. Okay, so maybe this one you can have your own sentence. Untuk yang Friday bisa diganti seperti ini. They built a sand castle. Atau mau dipakai they played. Oh, they found a seashell. Cari kerang, gitu ya. Oke, good. Nah, you need to look at the pictures and after that you find the correct one to match the day. Lihat dulu gambarnya untuk tulis nama harinya yang mana aja, gitu ya. Oke. Next. This one you make your own story. Ya. Ada contohnya. On Monday he went to the river, he read a book. How about your story? Boleh juga you do the other one. Like my story is on Tuesday. On Tuesday, I went to a bookstore Terus, I bought a storybook. Oke, how about your story? Kalau teman-teman gimana ceritanya? On Wednesday, misalnya mau pakai teman-teman. On Wednesday, Faki went to the beach. He played in the water. Boleh. Oke. On Thursday. On Thursday, Raihan went to a supermarket. He bought some apples. Okay, so you need to try to make your own story using your imagination, but don't forget to use simple past. Ini semuanya simple past tense. Ada when, ada both, ya, ada played. So this one all are the simple past. Okay, good. Next. How about this one? Here, you need to look at the picture first. Drink, drank, eat, ate, ride, rode, pick, picked, feed, fed, swim, swam. Number one. My family went to a lake last week. In the morning, we titik-titik in the water. Karena udah last weekend, artinya kita pakainya past simple. Jadi, yang swim atau yang swam? Good, swam. Ya, ini. Ya kan? Karena di sini kita perginya ke danau. Oke. Ke danau, kalau misalnya kita isinya makan, masa makan in the water, makan di air? Kan nggak mungkin kan? We swam in the water, kita berenang di air. Number two, it was cold, but it was fun. In the afternoon, we titik-titik our bikes to a field. Bike, lihat ya gambar sepeda ini. Jadi ride atau road. Ingat, kata-katanya adalah last week. Jadi we rode. Number three, we titik-titik some apples. Ini apples. Jadi pick atau picked. We picked. Okay, good. Number 4, 5, and 6 is easy ya. You can do it. Okay. Next. Nah, here you need to choose. Read the question first. What did you do when you were on your vacation? What did you do? Apa yang kamu lakukan? Jadi pilih yang melakukan kegiatan. I rode a horse. I went there last week. I went there by car. Kira-kira yang mana yang melakukan kegiatan? Saya naik kuda. Saya pergi ke sana minggu lalu. Saya pergi ke sana naik mobil. Kira-kira yang mana yang kira-kira yang cocok? Good. Jawabannya ini yang E ya, atau teman-teman bisa kasih tick. Oke. This one you can find it in your workbook. Did you take lots of photo? Kamu foto-foto nggak di sana? Did you take lots of photo? Kalau pertanyaannya did, berarti jawabannya kalau ya, yes I did. Kalau no, no I did not. Oke. Pilih yang mana yang benar. No, I took some books. Kamu foto-foto nggak di sana? Enggak, saya bawa buku. Kira-kira benar nggak jawabannya? Did you take lots of photo? Kamu foto-foto nggak di sana? Oke, I like that. Oke, aku suka tuh. Gimana jawabannya? Did you take lots of photo? Apakah kamu foto-foto di sana? Yes, I did. Look at them. Iya, aku foto-foto. Lihat nih fotonya. Kira-kira jadi yang mana yang betul? Good. Number C ya. Oke. Good. Next. This one is also the same. I know that you can do it. It's easy ya. Lihat dulu pertanyaannya. How about you, Tom? Was your vacation good? Kalau kamu gimana, Tom, liburannya? Oke enggak? No, I didn't. Yes, it was. I was excited. We were in the mountains. Kira-kira yang mana yang betul? Next. Nah, this one is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So you just write G or O. Ini double. Jadi pakainya yang mana? G or O? O ya, double. Tapi bunyinya pakai yang double. Oke. Yang mana yang double? Drag the line. Ini tiger. Jadi pakainya apa? G atau O? Yes, G. And then you find the picture of tiger. It's easy ya? Okay, the rest you can continue. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, grade 4. I think that's all for our review. So hopefully you can understand the lesson better. Well, see you next week. Okay, stay healthy, stay fit, and always be grateful. Bye-bye, grade 4. Wassalamualaikum.